Here is a Frigidaire dishwasher here. It's opened up. See, the inside's clean. This is your charge door, you gotta clean that off, but other than that, here's the model sticker here. This is model FDB700BS or BFS0. Anyways, there's that. See these controls here? Has basic controls of the dishwasher. This is a mechanical timer here. Then you got your options right here. But for every reason, the clean light comes on when it's on off. I have no idea why it should stay off, but it is what it is. Anyways, if you want to show this, so there's that.